In a world where connections shape careers, meticulous preparation before stepping into the dynamic halls of industry conferences can pave the way for unparalleled networking success. Let's explore the art of preparation, the bedrock of maximizing networking outcomes at these gatherings. First, gaining a deep understanding of the event and its participants is paramount. Investigating the agenda, keynote speakers, and the participant list reveals networking opportunities. This research serves as the strategic foundation for engaging effectively, transforming chance meetings into valuable connections. Setting clear networking goals, whether seeking mentorship, collaboration, or clients, shapes a focused strategy. Each interaction becomes a step towards fulfilling your professional ambitions. Crafting an elevator pitch, your verbal business card, is critical. A tailored, rehearsed pitch ensures you're always prepared to make a lasting impression. As we delve further, you'll learn the significant role these preparations play in forging the right connections. Having laid the groundwork with thorough preparation, we now enter the heart of the conference, where engagement during the conference elevates your networking. Remember, effectively approaching new contacts, albeit daunting, is a skill improved with practice and genuine curiosity. Initiate with open-ended questions like, "What brings you here?" or "Which session did you find most valuable?" to foster meaningful exchanges. Mastering networking hinges on balanced conversation, articulating your journey while practicing active listening to show respect and build rapport. In the digital era, while exchanging contact details is simplified, the tactile impression of a business card remains powerful. Pairing this with digital tools like LinkedIn ensures lasting connections. These strategies set the foundation for each interaction to evolve into significant relationships. The journey continues as we discover the pivotal role of follow-ups in cementing these relationships. In the symphony of networking, the follow-up performance cements a brief encounter into a lasting connection. Precision in timing, analogous to a perfectly timed musical note, a swift follow-up message within 24 to 48 hours demonstrates the value of the new connection. Personalizing your message, reflecting on discussed topics or shared anecdotes, distinguishes your communication, resonating like a personalized melody. Suggesting a next step, be it a meeting or collaboration, showcases initiative and opens avenues for mutual growth. This strategical trio, timely, personalized communication with a clear call to action, transforms fleeting exchanges into sturdy professional relationships. Armed with these insights, you're poised to make every connection at your next conference a meaningful one.